How to transfer pictures from your smartphone to your computer. We're going to split this presentation in four sections. First is wireless floating transferring programs, tips for photo organization, how to transfer photos, and how to share transferred photos with family and friends. So part one will be photo transferring programs, which is Google Drive and Photos that can be used by both iOS and Android devices and accessed through your Google account. Dropbox for iOS and Android access to a free account. iCloud, which is only for iOS devices, and computer files and apps for any device. How to pick which program to use. So based on your device, if the device, you would choose a program that is most compatible. Examples like iCloud is best for iOS. Dropbox and computer files are two great options for anyone with any device. If you want the person you want to share photos with owns iOS device, iCloud is the program to use. Google Drive and Photos is inefficient with Android devices, but since it can be accessed through a Google account, it can also be accessed by an iOS. All are great programs for photo transferring and allow for easy sharing of photos. Tips for photo organization. Some transferring tips that we have is to gather all your photos you want to transfer and organize them in a photo album. Having multiple albums of different categories may help for transferring, remembering that the photos you like to transfer and accessing the photos later. Examples like Halloween album. Label the albums according to the event and date for easier searching. Examples like categorizing Thanksgiving for 2020. How to create photo album folders. So first up will be for the iPhone, which is to launch the Photos app. Then tap on the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen, like shown here. Press the plus icon in the top left, then tap New Album. Name the album and then press Save. After that, go to the camera roll, press Select, then tap the photo or photos you wish to have in that album. And then when all photos are selected, tap the Upload button icon on the bottom left, then press Add to Album and select your album. For Samsung devices, launch the Photos app or Gallery app, depending on what Samsung you have, and tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the three dots on the top left and tap Create Album. Later, name the album and press Create. Go to the camera roll/gallery and long press on one of the photos you wish to have in the album until the check mark appears. For example, right here. And then click the three dots again and click Move to Album and select the album you created. For Google Photos, launch the app and tap on Library on the bottom right. Next, tap on New Album. After you name your album, then exit by clicking the arrow on the top left. Tap on the Photos tab in the bottom left, and then press and hold one of the photos you like in the album until a check mark appears on that photo. Then select all the photos in your camera roll you want to add in the album. Tap Add to and tap on your album to save the photo to it. Transferring photos. How to transfer photos. We'll go over these steps wirelessly, transferring photos from your mobile device to your computer using the following programs in order from Google Photos, Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, and AirDrop. So with Google Photos, have the app open on your phone and computer and make sure to be signed in with the same Google account on both devices. Once you've made a photo album in the Google Photos, it will be accessible on the computer. On your computer, go to Library to find your album. To download the album onto your computer, open it and click the three vertical dots and select Download All. With Google Drive, open the Google Drive on both devices signed in with the same account. Click the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner, then tap folder name. Click on the folder, then right click again and choose upload files. Find your photo album and select the photos. And lastly, to download the photos on your computer, right click on the outside of the folder and tap download all. Now with iCloud, you have to sign into iCloud on your phone and enable iCloud photo sharing if you haven't already. In case you don't have it, to enable iCloud, go to your settings, click on your account name, click iCloud, and then make sure iCloud is on for photos. Sign into iCloud on your computer, then click on the photos, click albums on the top left side, and find your album. To download it, click the fourth icon on the top right and then download. Lastly, for Dropbox, it has to be open on both devices and signed into your account. Press the plus icon on the bottom right of the app and press Create New Folder and name it. In the folder, click the plus icon again and press Upload. For Android, you have to manually pick your pictures, but for Apple, when uploading pictures, you may click Camera /Recent on the top to select your album. Then press Select All Photos, then click Next and upload to the top right for Apple or the bottom right for Android. The Dropbox application will automatically download to the computer, but like all the other programs, all albums and photos can be accessed without download. With AirDrop, turn Bluetooth on for your Mac computer, iPhone, or iPad. Go to your album, select one on the top right, then select all on the top left. Click the upload icon on the bottom left and click AirDrop. Then select your computer. If your computer is also hooked up to the Bluetooth, you will see a notification AirDrop request. Press accept and this will place the photos in your downloads folders. With computer files to a PC with Windows running, turn on Bluetooth for both devices and go to the settings and search for your phone. Click Add Phone and select your phone type. Get your phone companion app and sign in with your Windows account. Then allow the app's permissions and connect to the computer by scanning the QR code given on the computer and click Done. Once you're done with that, enable the computer to show photos from your phone. Lastly, click Photos on the sidebar and find your photos. Right-click or double-click on each photo to get Save options. It will automatically go into your Windows Gallery. Sharing photos. How to share your photos. Photo transfer with Google Drive, Photos, and Dropbox can be all shared with links or accounts. With Google Photos, open the album and click on the three dots on the top right corner. Once you see the Options button, enable the link sharing. You can either copy the link or click the plus icon below and add Google accounts to share. With Google Drive, open the folder and then click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then enable the link sharing and send the copy link or press share and insert a Google account. With Dropbox, you can open a folder and click on the three dots on the top right corner. Click share and pick a contact or insert an email address. Photos transferred with iCloud or AirDrop can all be shared by emailing downloads. With email, go to your email and compose a new email. Click the paper link icon and upload from the computer download, either in Finder or Settings, depending on the device. To access the photos, send the email to who you want to share your photos with. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register a one-on-one phone or web session.